The topic I would be presenting today is the difference between administration and management, and the other topic of roles and functions of diet and panchayat raj system uh, uh, would be taken care by my teammate Toral. Here are our ID numbers. I have changed my slide. Is it reflecting then?
Yes, Kathan,
Yeah,
it is
yeah.
reflected.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, what we would assess is the basic understanding of administration and management. However, it is already repeated, so I won't go much into that. But what I want to highlight here in my presentation, at least, is the key differentiation or distinction between these two terms, because we obviously use them interchangeably. And the other two topics are, the other two sections are of a Toral regarding that. So I would just start with Robert Heller's a satirical remark that the difference between management and administration, which is what all the bureaucrats used to do exclusively, is the difference between choice and rigidity. जस्ट ये आपके लिए फूड फॉर थॉट मैंने यहाँ पे रखा है. एक और बड़ा महान quote है by Henry Ford, Sir Henry Ford, that coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is success. तो ये उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों कहा था? ये टीम वर्क की जो बात है उसमें कोई तो ऐसी बात होगी जो हम यहाँ पे एजुकेशन मैनेजमेंट के कोर्स में भी सीख रहे हैं, द टर्म्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट. सो क्योंकि स्कूल की बात आई है, सो आई वुड जस्ट start my own differentiation with all these things with this beautiful quote that when you open a school, you shut down a prison. So that's what every good edupreneur, or so as to say, would or should always think, at least in my opinion. So administration in short looks at what and why aspects. It basically sets the main framework or direction, and the people in management, they look after the aspects of how and who. Basically, they are the main executive body. In our own parliamentary system, in our own this entire power sharing system in federal democracy of India, we have the wing of courts, that is of judiciary, one of executive and one of legislature. So administration, अगर मैं एकदम लूज टर्म्स में कहूँ, so they are part of legislature, and if management, अगर मैं एकदम लूज टर्म्स में कहूँ, so they are part of executive branch basically. So administration is always on the top level. They plan all the strategies, all the cost benefit analysis and all like that. It's not that the people in management circles are not important. They are the main implementers of all those policies. They are the main operation heads in a mid and lower level. So basically, the formulation of policy, the long-term planning are all done under the phrase of administration. I don't want to waste my time on mere definitions of all both these terms, because they are already explained quite beautifully by the earlier two teams, so as to say. In terms of its function, the vision and function of people of management are both short and mid-term. But the entire process, they have entire standard operating procedure, that is SOPs, in any corporate, in any NGO, in any n number of type of institution that is. So basically, what I would like to give example of here is, since we are in education management course, that we have the education ministry, or the some government or private university का जो पूरा board होता है, they are under administration of the say board of trustees or like that. But the principals, the head of departments are like the wings of managers. They are under their guard basically, and not to mention they are the main सबसे ज़्यादा जो फाइनल कंज्यूमर होता है, दैट इज स्टूडेंट, उनसे सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन भी यही लोग करते हैं, दैट इज ऑल दी HODs एंड प्रिंसिपल्स एंड फैकल्टीज एंड ऑल लाइक दैट. तो द पीपल इन मैनेजमेंट आर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, ये मिथ वजह से आई डोंट नो किस इंसान ने फैलाया है, बट इट इज कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग. सो अगेन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ आई वुड go on next slide. But another food for thought is that what I always say, that management is doing things right, leadership is doing the right things. So दोनों का मोरल कंपास अपनी अपनी जगह होता है, दोनों के अपने अपने एरियाज ऑफ जुरिसडिक्शन होते हैं, बट अब कुछ जो यहाँ पे है स्कॉलर थियरीज, आई वुड नॉट वेस्ट माय टाइम विद ऑल दी Fayol and what Postcog views and all like that, because they are already there. But the thing is, what I would not like to repeat and bring something new on this meet today is that the case study done by Shri Pravat Kumar Jena in 2022 in IGNOU. You know, the basic synergy between the governance and operations, policy, and the administration. He already studied. His entire team studied there in IGNOU because it is a massive open online university. As a matter of fact, the world's largest one. So, what are the inefficient outcomes? On what parameters can we have an institutional success? What are the misalignment between the administration and management? They all had already studied that along with their feedback as well. So, I mean, not all those basic feedbacks which we all see in our offices or like that. So, there are a number of theories, the system and contingency theory, the school of behavioral school. In psychology, there is a positive and negative reinforcement. If any particular behavior is desired, then it would get rewarded. So, same principle applies in schools as well, and in schools not only on students but on teachers, on principals as well by their higher up authorities. So that is the employee engagement, किस तरह से होता है, किस तरह से human motivation काम करता है, how can we improve their performance. All these things come under the all the official scholarly studies, so as to say. The total quality.
And 1 minute remaining.
Okay, 2 minutes remaining.
1 minute.
Okay, so this was the basic. I mean, I have already highlighted the two case studies here. इग्नू वाली तो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी पहले कही. अगर आपको मैं एक ब्रीफ और एक केस स्टडी दूं, तो दैट वाज रिगार्डिंग द इंडियन एजुकेशन मॉड्यूल ऑफ एनसीईआरटी. बेसिकली वहाँ पे क्या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का आया था दिक्कत कि इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टेट एंड नेशनल थिंग, all the norms, policy and syllabus, many a times it happens that it comes hard to implement by the local level, जो होता है ground level, any particular school के जो होते हैं principal, भले वो government हो या private हो, in terms of trainings of all the faculties, all the monitorings and all like that, because NCERT keeps on devising all these things in terms of how the ideal teachers should conduct themselves and how they should kind of develop themselves to their max potential in the Abraham Maslow's theory of needs, if you guys remember that. A man should never be appointed to a managerial position if his vision focuses on people's weakness rather than on their strengths. Peter Drucker quite famously said that. So these were my few analytical reflections as like what in clarity of role always avoids the overlap and inefficiency and all like that. That how the administration, vision and managerial एग्जीक्यूशन, एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू है. वो क्या कहते हैं, एक ही साइकिल के दो पहिए, एक पहिए पे साइकिल अचानक से नहीं चल पाएगी तो वो व्हीकल चल नहीं पाएगा. एंड सब एज एजुकेशन मैनेजर्स एज वेल, दैट व्हाट कैन बी द प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीकेशंस एज वेल, वो मैंने यहाँ पे कहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑडिट डैशबोर्ड्स एंड ऑल लाइक दैट. आई डोंट वांट टू जस्ट मेनली रिपीट व्हाट इज ऑन स्क्रीन एंड not to mention, मैंने थोड़ा टाइम रीच किया ही होगा 1-2 मिनट से. तो these were the just global and sectoral parallels which I drew in terms of I even named the NGO, that is the Enter Pratham Foundation, and in private sector as well, the edutech startups and all like that. I tried to be as much as wholesome here possible, but since the time is of quite shortage, I would like to just give you the freedom of asking me questions and reading the conclusion here.